For straightening your hair, you spend lots of time and lots of money. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to straighten your hair at home. So don't wasting your time, let's get started. Wash your hair gently. Use Streax Professional Lovely Hair Purifying Shampoo. Blow dry your hair and remove the frizziness with the help of straightening iron. Now I am taking Streax Hair Straightening Cream. I am using mild one. This is for soft straightening. If you want strong straighten hair, use Intense Zero. Apply it in your hair section by section with the help of brush. Don't apply it in your hair root. Apply it as fast as you can. After applying this cream, let it for 20 minutes and check your hair flexibility and wash your hair. Blow dry your hair. Gently straighten your hair with the help of straightening iron, section by section. Don't hurry up, take time, straighten in a proper way. Now I am taking Streax Professional Neutralizer. After ironing of the hair is completed, use neutralizer with the help of brush. Let it for 15 minutes in room temperature. Rinse it out with lukewarm water. Blow dry or straighten iron to style your hair as per desire. So here it's done. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.